All right, class. Lesson 33, rounding numbers. Ding, ding, ding. Round 54, 1 through 4. I don't get no more. 5 through 9, go up one time. Quick review. Let's take some example problems here. Now, we want to continue working on drawing these lines. Number 1 says, draw a pair, meaning two. Vertical, meaning going up and down. Parallel, means they can't crisscross. And lines. So every word's important in that. Draw a pair, that's two. Vertical. Lines have arrows. Make sure you put that in your answer key as well. All right, from today's lesson, it says round 537 to the nearest 100. First step, we're going to write it. Underline the 100. Look back to the 3. Say our little jingle. Ding, ding, ding. Round 537, 1 through 4. I don't get no more. 5 through 9, round up one time. So it's going to stay at 500. And round 78, underline the 7. Check out the 8. 1 through 4, I don't get no more. 5 through 9, go up one time. So it's an 8, so it's going to go up to what? An 80. And then we get those over in our answer key as well. Now it says number 3, it says use your answer problem 2 to estimate the product of 537 and 78. Well, we already rounded those, so it's multiplying 500 times 80. And I think I'm going to rewrite that with hanging out my 0, bringing that 0 down. 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 5 is 4D. 40,000. That's a lot easier than multiplying 538 and 78. Okay? All right. Number 4, it says 40 animals were brought to the pet show. Only half were mammals, a fourth were fish, a tenth were reptiles. I'm going to do those right now. 1/2, 1/4, 1/10. And there was of 40. Of 40. Of 40. And then the rest were birds. So we got some leftover down here at the bottom. Those were the birds. How many mammals were brought to the show? How many fish? How many reptiles? How many birds? So this first one is 1/2 of 40. 40 divided by 2. Half divided by the bottom number. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 0 0 times. So 20 mammals. The next one says 1/2 were mammals, 1/4 were fish. We're solving for fish now. 40 divided by the bottom number, divided by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time, and 4 goes into 0 0 times. 10 fish. Now we got 1/10 of 40. How many times does 10 go into 40? 10 goes into 40 4 times. 4 times 10 is 40. 0. 4. These were the reptiles. And then the last one was birds. Now they didn't tell us the fraction of birds, so what are we going to do? Well, I suppose if we add the mammals, plus the fish, plus the reptiles, plus the birds, we'd get 40. So we got 20 plus 10 plus 4 plus some number equals 40. So when we got this missing add in here, we're going to add and then subtract. 20 plus 10 is 34. 40 minus 34. Cross out the 4, make it a 3. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 are birds. What an animal show, huh? 20 mammals. I suppose those would be some kind of ferrets or mice or rats or something you see at a pet shop. 10 fish, probably goldfish. 4 reptiles. I don't know what you'd have at a pet shop that are reptiles. Maybe a bearded dragon or snake, maybe. And then some birds, some cockatoos. All right. Let's check out some at the end of the assignment as well. Take a look at number 21. 21 is dealing with this fraction here. It It says, what fraction of the circle is shaded? So let's go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got 2 of them shaded. Part over a whole. 2/4 also equals 1/2. So for 21A, I'm going to put both, 2/4 and 1/2. Now B says, what decimal part is shaded? This is when I go to my math folder and I look up the page that has the decimal. Oh, you guys probably have 1/2 memorized. 1/2, 2/4 equals 0.5. And then is that more or less than 25%? Well, 25% would be 1/4. So this is C would be more. 1/2 is more than 1/4. Number 26 says, draw an acute angle. Let's draw an acute little angle. So I'm remembering that this is a 90-degree angle, and acute's got to be less than that. So I'm going to draw my horizontal line, and I'm going to bring my line back. There's my acute angle for number 26. My horizontal line, and bring it back. Less than 90. Acute is less than 90. Okay? Check out number 30. It's about Lewis and Clark, who explored the new land that the Americans had bought. In 1804, Lewis and Clark, along with their guide Sacagawea, explored the northwestern United States. About how many years ago did the exploration take place? Well, this year is 2020, and we're going to subtract 1804 to find out how many years ago this happened. So 2020 minus 1804. Cross out the 2, make it a 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. Cross out the 2 and make it a 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. About 216 years ago. This year in social studies, we take a close look at Lewis and Clark, and I have an awesome video that I'd like to show you on it. What an amazing expedition that was. All right, let's back up to number 29. It says, Main Street and Allen Street intersect at a traffic light. The two streets form square corners where they meet. Draw segments to show how Main Street and Allen Street meet. So this is another one we're going to draw. So we got Main Street here, and we got Allen Street here. If we got right corners, we did it correctly. So that was A, number 29A. Main Street, Allen Street. All right, now B asks you the tougher question. Which of these words describe the segments you drew? Are they parallel? Show me parallel. Doesn't look like my drawing. All right. Are they perpendicular? Show me perpendicular. Remember, we said a T or an X marks the spot. All right. Oblique is at angles, and horizontal is not a choice. So obviously it is B. B is B. Hopefully you can see that. B is B. I'm going to write perpendicular there as well. All right, guys. We got a bunch done. Do a bunch more on the Zoom call. I'll look forward to seeing you there. God bless the rest of your day.